What our interest is that the whole world has now gotten to know that contrary to the false alarm that the defendant was kidnapped along with others by men in police uniform, there was nothing like that. It was just a mere delusion and occasioned by her mental state of mind, and which the team of clinical officers, doctors that examine her had come out to review. And that is the purpose for which this is, because there are two elements to every crime. The two must coexist. That is the mental state and then the act itself. The act has been committed, but the mental state is a little bit not established because it's not of a sound mind.
The Federal Capital Territory Police Command arraigned Amirah Safyan before the magistrate court Abuja on Wednesday over false alarm of her kidnap and others. The command spokesperson Josephine Ade earlier stated that Amirah would be charged with giving false information to mislead public servants. During the court session, James Idachaba, the lead lawyer, who cited Section 454 subsection 2 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, urged the court to ensure the defendant is subjected to probation, which should be monitored by a senior police officer to get a psychological evaluation. Also, the lead defense lawyer, Barrister Chinyere, agreed with the court's judgment, saying,
"It's justice for the defendant, for the society herself, for the society itself, and for the police force."
Chief Magistrate, after listening to the two lawyers, conditionally charged the accused based on her medical report. He stated that the accused must be on 12-month probation, which will be monitored by Deputy Commissioner of Police Hawa Ibrahim, who provided surety, and should report monthly to her office for assessment. While addressing journalists after the court session, James Idachaba said,
"Instead of sending her to the correctional center or asking her to pay a particular fine, the justice of the case is just that no, she should be restricted and given access to have her health back and not to destroy her future, and to ensure that she's of a good behavior within this period, and after which the probation officer will report back to the court if she indeed has become a normal person of good conduct, then she will be discharged."
Recall that Amirah, an Abuja-based lady, in a tweet on 14th June, claimed that gunmen disguised as police officers abducted her alongside 16 other victims in different parts of Abuja. Her tweet raised accusations and uproar against public servants, most especially the Nigerian police. Her Twitter said, "Please, whoever has my WhatsApp number, I sent a broadcast message of my location. We were abducted at gunpoint by people with police uniforms and a van from our houses to different parts of Abuja. We're 17, including 3 pregnant women and 2 little kids. They didn't see my phone." But on Monday, June 20th, she took to social media to apologize to Nigerians for raising a false alarm. This was after the FCT Police Command debunked her claim while announcing that she has been found.